Hi beauties, welcome. One second. Good morning beauties, welcome back to my channel. It might be a little dark, I'm driving in a parking garage, but welcome back to my channel. Today we are going and getting a haircut. It's been like 7 months since I got my last one. Last time I got curtain bangs. I went from literally all straight, nothing hair, to curtain bangs. So that was a big step. And then today, I'm gonna go shorter curtain bangs than I did last time. And I think I'm gonna cut my hair shorter. And then we'll see. I don't know. I'm going to a new salon. I've never cut my hair in Arizona before, so hopefully it's good and I don't get a janked haircut. But I'm excited to switch it up because I feel like I have had just like normal curtain bangs for a while, and then they've also been like grown out for a while. I don't like it when they're like grown out super long because like it just seems like I have normal hair, like my normal long hair, because they're so long that they don't like frame your face really anymore. So I'm excited to get a haircut, feel rejuvenated. I will meet you at the salon. I'll show you some inspo pics when I get there too. Bye. Okay, I'm about to walk into the salon and I'm super excited to get this haircut. I'll have to see if I can like update you guys at all throughout the process, but it's literally nothing crazy because I don't color my hair. So she's literally probably gonna just wash it and then cut it. So I should be out of here in like an hour, hour and a half. So yeah, okay. Okay, you guys, this is what it looks like. I'm obsessed, so it's a bit shorter. And I had like really long hair before. I realized I forgot to give you guys a before, but like this is what it looks like. I went a little harder on the curtain bangs and a lot shorter on the hair. This is literally the best haircut I've ever gotten. I went to a place, it's called like 480, I think. 480, it's in Scottsdale. It was the best experience ever. They had music playing. It was a very chill vibe. She was very like good with my hair, like obviously, but like she's very precise. She wanted to make sure like I had the best, you know, shape and stuff, and she did a great job. It's super cute though. I feel like I can do a lot more with it now because it's like shorter, because I have really thick hair, and I felt like one of the reasons why it was kind of like hard to do my hair was because I had so much of it. Okay, hey, I know it's been a minute. Don't mind me, I'm literally just in my pajamas. I just finished my first Zoom of the day, and so now I'm getting ready for the rest of the day. I wanted to, before I uploaded my hair transformation vlog, I wanted to get comfortable with my hair first so I can show you guys how I do it on like a day-to-day basis, or just like my everyday hair routine, you know, when I want to have it look nice. This is like after showering. I played some beach volleyball last night, so it might be a little crazy, but this is just what it looks like naturally, like from coming out of the shower. And I have like little bangs, so I like to style them just like in a better way, and I wanted to show you guys so you guys can see it like actually be done and not just from like a salon, you know, just coming out of the salon like, hey, it looks amazing, but I'm not going to show you guys like actually how I do it. So wanted to do that. So first I'm going to kind of show you what products. My hair is naturally super straight, so if you need to straighten your hair to get it straight, then you can do that, but mine is already pretty straight. So next I just have a round brush. I'm pretty sure this is 1.5 inches. I have really thick hair, so I personally like these little thinner strands just because like my hair can run through it decently well without it getting like tugging against my hair. So I really like this one. I got this one at Ulta. And then I have this. This is literally to spray my plants, but I don't have like water sprayer to spray on my bangs so that they can be wet and then I can dry them with the blow dryer. So I just use this. It's literally for my plants. I bought this at Urban. I'm just using it because I don't have anything else with me. A hair dryer. I got this one at Costco. So this is my hair dryer, and you don't need to have this thing on it, but I just do. I like it better for me. That is what I use. So I just have these 3 things. So typically what I do is I will kind of try to find my bangs and like separate them from my hair. And then I'll take a clip and clip away the rest of my hair so it kind of stays out of my way. So these are kind of what my strands look like. I need to do a middle part, but every time I shower it just naturally falls. That's kind of what like the length is at. And then I'm going to take the sprayer and just kind of spray it from the root just to wet it. It dries better and like will hold, and like the shape will form better if the hair is wet. Then I take my 1.5 inch and I take it backward like this, and then I will roll it down. And then I usually take this on the low setting of like, put it on the low one, and okay, so I just kind of do that like a few times to get my hair to kind of dry. As you can see, it's kind of already starting to form that like little wispy pull, but my hair is still decently wet. So I'll typically start on the slow setting, and then as I'm going, I'll like heighten the setting of speed. Again, I'm not like a hair professional literally at all. This is just what works for me. So I do it like that for a little bit just to like give it volume. This is harder for me to explain because I'm not in my bathroom. Then I'm gonna take one side of the hair, okay? I'm gonna take it like this, right? It's fine if the little ones fall because I'm gonna do something else to them later. But so I'll typically like let it roll like this, and then as I'm drying it, and that'll help have it lay like sideways really nicely. See how it has that nice little swoop? So then I'm gonna do the same thing to these later, but because they're a lot smaller than like these longer strands, I'm gonna do them like closer to my face and have them frame like my face more. Get that really pretty like natural lay down. Oh, and then another thing that I forgot to mention is I have a hairspray. This one's from my salon. I think I mentioned it in my one of my recent videos. It was the Peaches Get Ready With Me one, because I used it for my curl, like when I curled my hair. And I like it because it has different settings, so you can have it use like a lot of hairspray, a medium amount, and a light amount. So when I do things like this, I use my light amount, or just like with my bangs in general, I'll use my light amount, and then like when I get to my actual hair, I use a little bit of a harsher amount. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my little bangs. It's a whole process, again, and it's a process that works for me, so it might not be what works for you, and that's totally fine. It just happens to be what works for me. So now I'm gonna go in a different motion because I want it to kind of frame my face, and I'm gonna take this and go from an upward setting. See, if I want to, that is like angelic, right? You can kind of just like separate it with your part and stuff, but I think I'm gonna spray these outer parts, you know, give them a light little spray. What I mean by having it like really frame my face well, I really like it having the bangs go a little bit inward. I feel like it's nice, especially because these will fall like on their own naturally, like just throughout the day from like wearing. And so I think it's nice to kind of have it do like a little, you know, inward outward motion. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys want me to do like hairstyles that I do or am trying to learn, because I can definitely do a video on that. I think that'd actually be kind of fun, so you might be seeing that from me in the future. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't be afraid to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below, and I will see you beauties in the next video. Bye.